Imagine that the governance debate over autonomous weapons has produced a consensus concept, a phrase that appears in every major expert document, every GG deliberation, every ICRC position paper, and that the concept has been systematically misread as a design specification when it is, in fact, a legal threshold. The concept is meaningful human control, and the misreading is not semantic. It has produced a governance framework that cannot do what it claims. The ICRC has articulated the meaningful human control framework with increasing precision across its 2021 and 2023 reports on autonomous weapons systems. The framework does not establish what a well-designed autonomous system looks like. It establishes the minimum conditions under which a human being retains sufficient control over a weapons system for the accountability doctrines of IHL to function at all. 3 conditions, each is a legal prerequisite, not a design preference. First, the human must understand what the system will do before authorizing it to act. Second, the human must be able to intervene, to override, to abort in the time and space the system operates. Third, the human must bear actual legal accountability for the outcome of the system's decision. Absent any of those conditions, the accountability doctrines of IHL do not have a subject to reach. Here is the insight that reframes the entire MHC debate. The dominant treatment of meaningful human control positions it as a spectrum, a sliding scale of human involvement that states can calibrate based on mission requirements, operational tempo, and system design preferences. That framing dissolves the concept's legal function. Meaningful human control is not a spectrum because the doctrines it enables are not spectrums. Command responsibility under Article 28 of the Rome Statute either attaches or it does not. The commander either had effective control over the decision to strike or the doctrine does not apply. The precautionary obligation under Article 57 either was discharged by a human capable of judgment or it was not discharged at all. The proportionality assessment under customary international humanitarian law either was conducted by a human who understood the military advantage and civilian harm simultaneously, or the strike was unlawful from the moment it was authorized. Meaningful human control is the structural prerequisite for every accountability doctrine this playlist of my videos has examined. Follow me on my channel, the AI Law, Global Security, AI Risks and Liability. See you there.